Maintaining kidney health is crucial for overall well-being. Kidneys filter waste and toxins from the blood, regulate fluid balance, and maintain electrolyte levels. A natural way to support kidney health is by drinking a lemon and parsley detox drink, which can be easily prepared at home using common kitchen ingredients. To prepare this drink, start by thoroughly washing a bunch of fresh parsley to remove any dirt or pesticides. Chop the parsley into small pieces. Next, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a pot. Once the water is boiling, add the chopped parsley and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. This simmering process helps extract the beneficial compounds from the parsley into the water. After 10 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to remove the parsley leaves, leaving you with a nutrient-rich parsley tea. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the strained parsley water. Fresh lemon juice provides the maximum benefits of vitamin C and citric acid. If desired, you can add a teaspoon of honey to sweeten the drink and enhance its taste. Honey also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Pour the detox drink into a glass and enjoy it either warm or chilled. Drinking this detox drink once a day for a week can help support kidney health. You can have it in the morning on an empty stomach or before bedtime. In addition to this drink, maintaining overall hydration by drinking plenty of water throughout the day is essential for kidney health. Parsley acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production and helping to flush out toxins, while providing antioxidants and essential vitamins. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in the urine and has detoxifying properties. Water is fundamental for kidney function, aiding in the filtration process and diluting urine to prevent stone formation. Incorporating this lemon and parsley detox drink into your daily routine, along with a balanced diet and regular hydration, can help ensure your kidneys function optimally. This simple, natural, and effective drink can play a significant role in enhancing kidney health.